Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dill's Art and Craft.
Today, watch how these simple materials transform into a dreamy little fairy home. First, tear some old paper into small pieces and soak them in water for about 3 hours. Then blend the soaked paper until smooth. Next, strain out all the excess water. Mix the paper pulp with glue to create a thick texture paste. Take a glass bottle as the base. Use printed or recycled paper for indoor decorations. Make sure to leave spaces for the door and windows. Apply glue all over the bottle surface. Cover the bottle with the paper and glue texture mixture. To add more texture, I used a fork to create patterns. For the roof, I made the frame using cardboard pieces. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. I also made a small hole so I could insert fairy lights later. Then I peeled a thin layer off an old MDF board, cut it into small sections, and carefully attached each piece to form the roof design.
See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.